Before you start loving on your new home, don't make the rookie mistakes most first-time homebuyers do. Missing key maintenance steps that save you thousands and endless headaches. Let's make sure your Silicon Valley home stays the dream investment you worked so hard for. Adam Buzmaha here, and if you've just closed on your first home here in Silicon Valley, congratulations. You're not just a homeowner now, but the CEO of your own little real estate empire. Start with security and safety. First up, before you even settle in, check the locks and update your garage codes. Sounds simple, but you never know who might still have a key from previous owners. Test all your smoke and carbon monoxide detectors and replace batteries regularly. Speaking of safety, locate your water and gas shutoff valves. You don't want to hunt for them in an emergency. Routine HVAC and plumbing care. Your heating and cooling system is like the lungs of your home. In our Bay Area climate, clean or replace air filters 1 to 3 months out and schedule an annual professional HVAC checkup. And don't forget to flush your water heater once a year. This prevents sediment buildup and helps it run efficiently. Check under sinks and around faucets for leaks. Catching small issues early can save you thousands of dollars. Keep it dry. Gutters and exterior checks. Here in Silicon Valley, gutter maintenance is a big deal thanks to our seasonal rains. Clean gutters and downspouts at least twice a year to prevent water from seeping into your foundation. While you're out there, inspect the exterior. Look for cracks or gaps and seal them. This keeps out moisture and California's creative little critters like termites. Windows, doors, and energy efficiency. Drafty windows and doors can drive up your utility bills and make your home less comfortable. Walk around every season to look for air leaks or damaged weather stripping and repair as needed. A little caulk and weather stripping go a long way towards keeping your home efficient, especially when enjoying those famous Bay Area breezes. Next up, we have appliances and fire safety. Home fires most often start in the kitchen and laundry room, so clean your dryer, lint trap, and vents regularly. Vacuum refrigerator coils annually and give your dishwasher a deep clean. Keep multi-purpose fire extinguishers handy. One in the kitchen, maybe another by the garage. It's best to be prepared. Next up, budget and maintenance. Now, here is a pro tip. Set aside a maintenance budget, about 1 to 3% of your home's value annually. This helps you tackle routine upkeep and those surprises that inevitably pop up. Routine maintenance isn't a renovation. It's about keeping things in tip-top shape, not fancy upgrades. Next up, you want to walk and observe. Lastly, make it a habit to walk around your home, inside and out, every month. Look for things that seem off, like leaks, unusual drafts, cracks, or even signs of pests. This regular check-in is how smart owners catch problems before they become expensive headaches. Owning a home here in Silicon Valley is a big milestone. Take pride in the little things. Invest in consistent care, and your property will love you back. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more insider real estate tips, and share with friends who are starting out their homeowner journey, no matter where they live. As always, I'm Adam with the Walker Team. I'm here to educate and navigate, never speculate and fabricate. We'll see you on the next video.